Welcome to the video on the top 5 content management system, or CMS platforms. We'll be exploring the best options for creating modern websites and applications. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a content management system? A content management system is a software platform that allows users to create, manage, and modify digital content without needing extensive technical knowledge. It simplifies the process of building and maintaining a website. First on our list is WordPress. It is the world's most popular CMS, powering over 40% of all websites. WordPress boasts thousands of themes and plugins, making it easy to use and customize. It has strong community support and is mobile responsive, ensuring your site looks great on any device. Next up is Drupal. Drupal is an enterprise-grade CMS that is best for complex and scalable websites and applications. It offers advanced security features and is highly customizable. Drupal provides enterprise-level scalability and is developer-friendly, making it a robust choice for large projects. Our third pick is Joomla. Joomla is a flexible CMS that balances ease of use with advanced functionality. It offers built-in user management and multilingual support. Joomla provides advanced content organization and a search engine optimization-friendly structure. The fourth platform we'll explore is Shopify. Shopify is the leading e-commerce CMS platform for online stores and retail businesses. It is a complete e-commerce solution with built-in payment processing. It provides mobile-optimized stores and analytics and reporting tools. Finally, let's look at Webflow. Webflow is a visual web design platform with powerful CMS capabilities, perfect for designers. It has visual design interface and offers no-code development. Webflow provides built-in hosting and content delivery network and professional design control. In summary, here are the top 5 content management system platforms we discussed. First, WordPress, which is popular and flexible. Second, Drupal, which is enterprise-grade. Third, Joomla, which is a balanced solution. Fourth, Shopify, which is focused on e-commerce. And fifth, Webflow, which is great for visual design. Choose the platform that best fits your project needs and technical expertise. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.